Hi, in this video, we are going to discuss how the POS home delivery all-in-one module works. So for that, we have to install several modules. In the apps, I'm searching delivery, and here you can see there is an all-in-one module and other several modules. So once we install the all-in-one module, all the other dependent module will be automatically installed, which we have implemented in order to reduce the effort and also the chances of losing another dependent module while we are installing one by one. So now we have all the modules installed, and after installing the module, under the settings we have to give the user access right. So currently, for the administrator, I have a manager access for the delivery control app. So we have, other than the manager, we have a user access. Currently, I will be providing a manager access in order to get all the configurations and the other rights. So after setting it as a manager, we will be able to see this delivery control module over here. So now we can open it. So this is the dashboard, which is a Kanban view of a picking order, where we can see the current status of all the orders that are assigned or created. Now under the configuration, we have a separate settings for the delivery control, and here we can see there are several settings. If you want to have a delivery type driver portal other than the mobile app, we can just enable this, and it will create a portal user for a driver while we create the new drivers. And we have customer acknowledgement option, which is used for sending OTP, and also other one is signature verification, which is also both are used for the customer acknowledgement. And then we have another option for a cash on delivery, so I have enabled that as well. Then we have the broadcast order, for which if we don't want to assign this particular order to a particular delivery boy, then we can broadcast this order. All of the other delivery boys who is available, they will be getting the message of this particular order. So like that, we have so many configurations, and if you want to enable delivery charge per user, we can add that as well. And we have to make sure that the Google Map API configuration is already given, because we will be using geolocalization, and also it is tracking, so we have to make sure that these is enabled. And I'll just save this. So these are the basic configurations. I'll just save it. Now I have to create a driver. So under the drivers menu, I can see all drivers, and here I can create new driver if I want. And while creating a driver, here you can see the delivery driver is a driver boolean will be automatically enabled if we are creating it from this menu. And here we can give the delivery driver per kilometer rate. It is already given as a 6. So this after giving this country, the state, and the pin code, the system automatically check the geolocal location of this particular partner, and it is added into the partner assignment. So based on this, we will be calculating the distance and the route. And in here, the mobile number and the email address is both are mandatory. So so that we will be able to connect with the partner, and also will be able to send any notifications regarding in the email. So these are all the details that we have to fill up. And after creating a driver, under the configuration, we can see the delivery store boy store configuration. So after creating the driver, it automatically create a store location for that particular driver in order to manage the stocks of our company. So if the driver has already picked up that particular stock, then it will be shown in the store location only, so that we can manage the correct hierarchy and view of that particular stock. So after giving the store configuration, we have to do a detailed store configuration. Here you can see the store cash account and delivery boys cash account. As we are having a cash on delivery feature, the boy will be receiving the cash from the customer, and we'll have to reconcile that particular cash with the account. So meanwhile, that particular cash will be reconciled with any of the account that we have given over here. So like that, we need to keep a hierarchy over the store configuration. So these are all the basic configuration that we have to do while doing the delivery control. So now we have stores and the drivers. Let's try to create an sale order, and I'll assign it to a driver. I'll just create a customer. His Jonathan. He is also in United States. So I have already given its a zip code and also the state. Now we can add the products. Now I have added one product for him. And once the customer is added, the distance in kilometers has been automatically calculated by the system, and this distance is with the store, which is the warehouse, and the customer location. So 64 kilometers is between warehouse and the customer. So now I'm just saving this, and we can confirm this order. After confirming, here we can see there is a create picking order option. So if there can be two situations where the customer can take out their own, or else they can request for a delivery. So if it is a delivery, then only we can just create the picking order. Once we click on it, our picking order is automatically created. So we can just go for it. And this is the picking order. Either we can choose it via that smart button. We have also a reverse smart button where we can go for that particular sale order, or else I can just access that particular picking order from this delivery control module as well. So from this delivery control module, here I have this created 𝗂𝗀𝗿𝗃. So now I can assign a driver, or else broadcast the order. If I am to broadcast the order and I am a let's say I am a delivery driver, I will be able to get a notification that I do have another order over there. So let's just broadcast this order. So here you can see it is already broadcasted, and I'll try to enter as a particular driver. So I'll just choose the driver 2. This is the email, and I'll just change his password to. Okay. Now I will log out from the admin, and I will log in as the driver 2. So this will be the driver's portal, and here we have the broadcast order. Once I open that, here you can see there is a broadcast order over here. So it is already 64 kilometers away, and here I have the location. So once I click on that, it will redirect to a page with a map view, and it will be showing A, B, C points, which is A is the current location of the driver, and B is the location of warehouse, and C is the location of customer. So he can decide whether to choose this or not. Now I'll just switch it, and here as I have seen the location, I'll just accept that particular order. Accept it. Now I have accepted it, and it will be in my open jobs only. Now I will just log in as the admin. Okay. Now in the delivery control, we'll be able to see it is not anymore in the created, and it is in the accepted by driver. So here we can see it is already accepted, and the delivery boy has automatically been assigned. And if we want to track the driver, like if the driver is already moving, if we want to track the driver, we can just click on the live tracking. And currently it is only in the accepted state. And as it is accepted by the driver and we have to pick it from the warehouse, this button is only visible for the admin or whoever is the manager. This button is visible for that particular person, as it has to be confirmed that the particular delivery boy has been taken that order from the warehouse. So I'll just click on the picked. Now now the order has been picked by the delivery driver, and he will be able to do the delivery now. Also, if I want to set the priority, I can set the priority over here, and it will redo the order of showing that particular order in the delivery driver portal. Just save it, and now we have to go back to the driver's portal. Okay, now in the open jobs, you can see the status has been changed to picked, and I can check that. And also here we have other various buttons, which is sign, collect payment, back, and issue. So this is a cash on delivery, that's why I do have a collect payment button over here. And there is an issue, like for the issue, once we click on it, there are several reasons, which is customer not available, like if it is a wrong address, that also we can do. And if we want to if it is not a given reason, we can just add the notes as well. So this will reject this particular order into the admin portal. So now I'm just collecting the payment. Now once it is the payment is collected, we can do the signature. So for the signature, either we can draw it over here or choose the file. So currently I'm drawing, and I'll just upload it. Now the signature has been successfully added in the backend. Now we have to deliver it. In order to deliver this, we need the OTP, which will be available, which will be shared as a message to the customer, and also it will be available in the logs of the admin. So I'll just check that. I'll just take the OTP. So the OTP is already shared as a mail to the customer. I'll just copy this, and let's go back to the driver portal. And now we have to add the delivery OTP. So once we click on the deliver order, it will open a window wizard like this. We have to paste the delivery acknowledgement code, which is the OTP. And once it is done, we can save it. Now the order has been done. So this is how we manage an order from the delivery driver portal. I'll just log in as an admin, and we'll check the delivery control. So it has been already done. So it is already delivered. And here you can see it is now in the delivered state. And here we have the collect payment from driver, because it is currently in unpaid and it has been paid to the driver only. So we can just click on this, and after clicking that, it will automatically change to the paid stage. So this is how we manage the entire flow. And currently we have checked how we can create an order from the sales. Now we have another one, which is the point of sale. And for that we can open the register. Okay, let's say I have an order for this particular products, and I'll just add the customer. Okay, I will showcase, like, well, when we click on the delivery, it will ask for a customer, and we have to give the customer name, and then we can click on the delivery. So here we have a particular address over here, which is the default shipping address. If you want to add any other particular different address, we can just click on this, and also add the delivery note and the complete street address. So for into that particular address it will be shipped. I'll just add. Okay, so in the other info we can just choose which is the driver I want to choose. I'll just go for the driver 2, and the delivery date we can add. I'll go for 24th. Okay, so I have already added the note, and I'll just create it. Now we have created an order in picking order in the backend. We can just do the payment. Now I have done the payment. I'll just go to the backend, and we'll check the delivery control. Now in this here you can see there is a new order which has been created, and here we have the particular order which is from the POS. So this is how we manage creating orders from the POS. Also, like this, we can manage the website orders as well. From the e-commerce, we can add the delivery driver. I'll just choose another product. So we have created one order from the e-commerce, and here we are in the order, and also we can follow the same, which is creating picking order and deliver it to the particular customer. So this is how we manage the POS all-in-one home delivery module. Thank you.